check out our newest feature release. We now offer course completion certificates. So, what are course completion certificates? Our CRM introduces a new cutting-edge certificate feature that allows you to effortlessly reward your course members upon completion. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. These certificates are a huge motivator for your course members. Now you can offer personalized certificates. You can offer customized certificates with signatures, images, badges, and colors. You can also streamline the entire process with automated email notifications. Let's just overview very quickly create a course. Now, you can look this up in our help docs in a little bit more detail, but I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick overview of the setup process of courses, offers, and then those certificates. So your memberships or your courses are going to be located under memberships. So go ahead and click on memberships in your left-hand navigation menu. From there, you're going to click on courses, and in the drop-down menu, you will select products. This is how you actually create that membership product or that training course. So go ahead once you're there and click plus create product. Now, the next thing that you're going to do after you've set up that membership product is you're going to create an offer. So to do that, again, it is still under the membership in your left-hand navigation. Then you're going to select courses, and in the drop-down menu, you will select offers. Now go ahead and click plus create offer. You're going to go ahead and customize your offer details here. You're going to name your offer. You're going to choose what products are included. You can include more than one product, and you're going to set your price. This can be free or it can be anything you choose. And then go ahead and click create. Now let's talk about creating those certificates. That again is going to be under memberships on the left-hand navigation menu, but this time you're going to go ahead and select the new option, which is certificates, and you're going to click plus new. From here, you're going to choose a template or you're going to create one. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and create a blank certificate. What you can see in the creation of the blank certificate is on that left-hand menu, you can now see the layout, background, header, text, image, badge, and signature elements, which can all be drug into your certificate. You also can see on the right side, either for both portrait or landscape options, the frames that you have available to you. So you'll build out your perfect certificate, and then you're going to make sure to save that certificate. The next thing that you're going to want to do, also under memberships and then under courses and products, you're going to want to click on that product that you would like to attach the certificate to. From there, you're going to go ahead and attach the certificate. Click on certificates and then attach certificate. The next thing that you're going to want to do is select the specific certificate and make sure that you save. Now, to issue and view certificates, go ahead and click on the View Certificate button. To be able to view and manage any issued certificates, you're going to be under, again, Memberships, then Certificates, and now you can click on Issued Certificates. You'll be able to preview any of your certificates here, as well as edit them. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.